This is how to withdraw your XYO token from Coin App to your AirTM account. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily redeem and cash out your XYO token from Coin App to your AirTM account. With this method, you'll be able to convert your XYO token to cash very fast using AirTM. Please note that this video is sponsored by AirTM, and with this sponsorship you have opportunity to claim $3 sign up bonus, especially if you are new to AirTM. All you need to do is to use my link, which is below the description of this video. Ensure you take advantage of this. Another thing that is free that you can do for me right now is this. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. That will help you to always get my videos as soon as it is out. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So, how do you get your XYO token redeemed to AirTM and get your money in cash? Let's do it. This is the current price of XYO token on CoinMarketCap, and you can get this XYO token for free on Coin App and get it converted to cash using AirTM. Let me show you. You can see this is my Coin App. With your interaction with Coin App, you are providing real-world digital data to companies and Web2, Web3 clients around the world. So your interaction with this app has a real-life applications. And what do you need to do to interact with the app? Look at this. You play games, you do surveys, you take offers. As you do that, you get your point accumulated up here. Look at, I even have some geodrop that is a mass here. All you need to do is to tap here. You tap there. I continue to do this every day. Just by interacting, you get your points. By the time all these points get to 10,000, you'll be able to convert them to XYO token. And don't forget, you can do this for free. Let me show you my proof of XYO earnings on Coin App. You tap here. View coin redeem option. Tap there. Others. You tap here. Look at it. This is over 1,700 XYO token. This is almost 3,000 XYO tokens, and so on and so forth. These are all XYO tokens I've cashed out and converted to cash, and I will teach you how to do this with ease using AirTM. The first thing you need to do before you get to cash out point, which is 10,000 Coin App points, that is before you can convert it to XYO token, you need to sign up to Coinbase Exchange. Let me show you. You need to sign up to Coinbase Exchange app with preferably your Gmail. Before now, they were no more accepting Nigerians, but now they are accepting Nigerians. Let me show you. You can see this is the inside of my Coinbase app. You don't need VPN to use this app. I've used this app on multiple occasions and it works. You come here, look at it. You can see this is me, John. You tap that place. Tap native currency. Native currency. Let's search with Nigeria. Look at this, Nigerian Naira. You tap that. If you come to limits, you can see I can send crypto and I can receive crypto and I can use their card. The only thing I cannot do is to do P2P using Coinbase. And for you to know that I've been using Coinbase for a while now, let me show you my transaction. Look at transactions this month. Look at it. I recently used it to receive XYO. Look at it, almost $7. That is to tell you that you can use Coinbase to receive your XYO token from Coin App. So the first thing you need to do to make this work for you is to sign up to Coinbase Exchange. Make sure you use your Coin App email address to register for your Coinbase Exchange. It will help you greatly. The next thing you are going to do now is to link your Coinbase Exchange account to your Coin App. To do that, you come here, you tap that, you tap this update redeem detail, you tap it. Look at it here, Coinbase email. You insert your Coinbase email here. XYO wallet. You go to Coinbase to go and pick your XYO wallet address. Let me show you. So how do you get your XYO crypto wallet on Coinbase? You come to this place, transfer. You tap transfer. You can see receive crypto. Because you want to receive your XYO crypto from Coin App to your Coinbase account, you tap this place. By the time you search with XYO, just tap here, XYO. Look at it, it will come out. Even though if it's not there before, you just tap it. You can see this is my XYO wallet address. I will copy here. You can also use the QR code. You snap it, it will attach it automatically. You just copy, you tap to copy. As soon as you copy it, you go back to your Coin App. we are back on Coin App. You use your Coinbase email address, you insert your XYO wallet and your NFT wallet too. They are the same. You just paste the two of them, then you tap done. As soon as you tap done, Coin App will send you an email to confirm if you are the one directing your payment to Coinbase and changing your wallet address. So you go to your email to confirm by clicking that link. As soon as you do that, your address will be updated automatically. So now you've updated and linked your Coinbase account to your Coin App account. As soon as this point reaches 10,000 points and you are ready to cash out your XYO from Coin App, you tap this place. You come to this place, view coin redeem option. You tap this place. For now, you see my own is less than 10,000. As soon as it reaches over 10,000, you see your balance here. Then you see different options that you have to cash out. This is XYO token option. You can also cash out Bitcoin, you can cash out Ethereum, and you can cash out other accessories. It depends which country you find yourself. But if you are from Nigeria, you can only use these three options. And this is the best option for you. XYO crypto. You tap XYO crypto to cash out, then you tap redeem. As soon as you tap redeem, you follow the step-by-step process. Within minutes, Coin App will send an email to your Coin App email to confirm if you are the one cashing out your XYO crypto token. You confirm that email, then you wait for like 3 or 4 days. You will see your money on Coinbase exchange. But how do you withdraw your money from Coinbase to AirTM? Don't forget, that is the objective, to cash out your money and convert to cash in the currency of your country. Let me show you. You can see this is my Coinbase exchange app. You are going to receive an email from Coinbase that you receive XYO token to your exchange account. So as soon as you get that email, all you need to do is to come here, buy and sell. You tap it, then you come to this place, convert. You tap convert. So as at that time you will see something to convert here. You just convert to USDC and you'll be able to withdraw to AirTM. Watch this video. The link of a video will come out here. This video is my step-by-step process of cashing out your crypto in form of USDC that you've just converted to your AirTM account. That video is a real demo. Ensure you watch it. But when your money gets to AirTM, what happens? Let me show you. You can see this is my AirTM account. As soon as your money gets to AirTM, you see your balance here. Look at it. You see your balance here. You can see this is what I currently have on my account. As soon as you get your money like this, you can do so many things with your money. For instance, you can tap here, withdraw. You come down here, you tap search payment methods. This platform has different payment options. As soon as you get here, you can send your money to your bank account. You just tap here. Here are a list of almost all the banks in the world for those countries that can transact on AirTM. So you can type your country, like I'm in Nigeria. Your country will come out here. If you want to get your money sent to your local currency, you tap this place. Just watch this video. This video will walk you through step by step of how you can do that. Thank you. You can now cash out your XYO token from your Coin App to your AirTM account. Don't forget, you have opportunity to get your $3 sign-up bonus when you use my link to join AirTM. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. It is very important you watch the next video. You'll be able to get your XYO swap to USDC and at the same time send your USDC to AirTM from Coinbase exchange, even in your country. Ensure you watch this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.